factors. One of the most common questions I get asked:
blue sky come bearing up before us.
how long can I expect one of these hazel hurdles to last outdoors? Which is a great question.
Promise not to leave us, tarry not.
Now, anything that's expected to live outdoors in the UK in all weathers is going to have its lifespan.
Valley, branches crack and split. If we holler, will you hurry?
And there are a number of factors that can accelerate its decline.
Blue sky come.
But to get to the nitty-gritty of how long can I expect a hazel hurdle to last for outdoors, you might be looking at about, on average, about 10 years.
Promise not to leave us, tarry not.
There are a couple of things that could mean that the panel might fail earlier than expected. One of those is moisture. So if you've got vegetation that's really close to the panel, or it's constantly wet by something dripping on it, and that can mean it can fail early. And the other thing I noticed that can make the panel not last quite as long as average is to do with how it's fitted. So if it's not fitted square, or it's fitted with some flimsy fixings, then over time things can go out of square, and that's what can make the panel fail perhaps earlier than it would normally. However, getting back to the main question in hand, expect around about 10 years, but there are ways of getting it to last even longer.
Golden crown, blue sky come.
And that's in the video review.
Promise not to leave us, tarry.
Thanks for watching. If you're able to, support your local coppice worker, buy some hurdles, enjoy your garden. See you in the next one. Choked out here by the smoke.